right, welcome to K.A.E Sports Talk. Now, I am back here at Suwon, KT Sonic Boom Arena here. And so this would be kind of a treat because since I am covering the Asian imports, it'll be exciting to see Justin Gutang again, since I did see him on Tuesday in Ulsan. And then I'm back here to see, Dave, Angel Baby, Ildefonso, and Lester Prosper. So I got some items for Gutang and Prosper, so hopefully they'll definitely understand my reference of Monopoly. Do not pass go till you collect your bread. So instead of $200, bread, same meaning for those that come from wherever you are. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for. Right now I'm just waiting on the team buses. So hopefully I can get Gutang and Prosper to grab their, bread, even if we define it as money for bread, making that bread, But just real quick, take a look at the scenery around. So there's the arena. So just know that I'm not messing with all of you. Yes, I am at the arena again. So we're going to be on this show again. Hopefully, because I did do a day one vlog here, but I didn't get a lot of footage. This time I can make it up and get some better footage. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned and we'll wait for the team buses and we'll get going. See you later. All right, I forgot to do one more thing on this vlog here. So what I have is I got some bread for Justin Gutang here. So I know they like that. So from Dam, since I'm from city of Daejeon, so I got him some red bean bread. So hopefully he'll remember me from about it's actually 5 days since I last saw him. And then for Lester Prosper, and yes, we got Angel Baby right here. I don't know if you guys can see what I wrote. There you go. Compliments of I'm gonna add my buddy who made this happen for me, Pinoy KBO TV and K.A.E Sports Talk. So I'm gonna give him the credit for all of this. And yes, so since Angel Baby and Prosper has to share, I had to give him the bigger box in this situation. So yep, and then hopefully I can get Prosper to sign Dave Ildefonso's jersey. Just let me show you. Dave Ildefonso signed it. So if Prosper can sign it with Dave, I can tell a story if I ever can reach those goals of getting it to the museum. All right, stay tuned and we'll wait for the team buses. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the LG Sakers. So the team bus has arrived for the LG Sakers. They're coming way down from south in Changwon. So hopefully I can hand this off to Justin. So let's see. So here comes the coaching staff out. And hopefully, I can get a hold of Justin here to pick up his bread. So let's see. So this is the fan experience at the KBL. Okay. So yep, they're really treated like stars here. Justin Gutang. Oh, you can't hear me. Justin Gutang. You remember me? Ulsan.
Thank you.
Long time no see.
I know, appreciate you.
I'll see ya. So there we go. I was able to head Justin Gutang off with his bread. So he at least stopped and got the gold. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the KT Suwon Sonic Boom. So hopefully I'm going to have to see if I can get Lester and Dave Angel Baby to pick up their bread. right, so here they come. Yeah, and here they come out. So here comes the coaching staff, and first coming out. So hopefully I can get a hold of Prosper or Joan.
어, 멋있다.
Yeah. Where's Dave? Dave, Angel Baby. Ate Ren says come pick this up. Your mom says pick this up.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, long time no see.
Long time.
Hey, one favor. Could you get do you mind if Lester signs his name on your jersey too?
All right, I got it.
Can you do that?
I'll give it to you later.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on the floor seats.
Okay.
I'll see you. Thanks, man. So check this out. I'm in the VIP lounge. So you even got the K.A.E chicks here. So I got to see where my seat is. So we're gonna just try to see where we're seated at. So we'll have to see gate 1. So gate 1. All right, so here you go. All right, check this out. Since I have like floor level seats, so I don't want to tell you where my seat, you already seen the picture. You get to pick up like free sandwiches, waters, cookies, and all the 9 yards. I'll try to not show the picture. So there's a view. See, this is the view of the lounge here. So it's pretty cool. And there you go. So that's the lounge. So it's pretty cool. So that's what we have. And yeah, you got pretty cool. So if you get floor seats, this is what you get. So that's how this. Okay, so we're 30 minutes away from tip-off here. So everyone's getting their last minute stretches out. As you can see, the clock is ticking, and LG Sakers are on the other side. Second half, they'll be here, and then the KT Sonic Boom will be going away from us in the second half. So I had a chance to go say what's up to Prosper, and then yeah, and then plus Dave's gonna take those jerseys. I left them with him, and he's gonna have Prosper sign it, and then I'll get it after the game. So we'll keep this thing going. So that's the thing. And then yep. So there we go. So we're ready for some afternoon Sunday basketball here. And there you go, the poppin' circumstances. So it's kind of really exciting. And as you can see, both sides of the is box seat. So if I want a box seat, I can get a box seat if I want. If not, that's the thing. So that's the cool thing, and that's where we're at, and that's where we go. So there we go. So pretty cool. All right, we'll keep the vlog going, and I'll see you guys later. All right. So they're going to wrap this up, and we're 17 minutes away. Everyone's kind of doing running drills right now.
양홍석 선수가 직접 준비한 이벤트 오늘도 마련하고 있습니다. 오늘 어떤 이벤트냐면요, SNS, 인스타에 미리 공유해드린 것처럼 오늘도 대승을 거두기 위해서
right, warm it up. Now the crazy thing is I'm looking at the official right now. He's wearing, looks like he's wearing Roadrunner shoes that I wear from San Diego. So I think, you know, I'm surprised Roadrunner shoes is not out here in Korea. Those look like the Hoka. He's wearing the Hoka.
오늘 여러분들도 열심히 응원하시면
I'm wearing the same shoe that he's wearing right now. As you can see, the official. And I'm wearing the Hokas.
신상입니다.
I bet, and they're comfortable too, so that'd be good for what these guys do out here on the court.
멋짐이 풍깁니다. 나는 오늘
Let's go, K.A.E. Sonic Boom!
오늘도 이 커플의 뜨겁게 만든 선수의 선수들과 코칭 스태프를 소개해 드리겠습니다. 먼저 코치 김국수, 코치 박정선, 슈퍼코치 정명진, 그리고 KT 선수의 사령탑 고동철 감독님을 소개합니다. 이어서 오늘 경기 첫 세전 리스트를 맺겠습니다. 스타팅! 오늘도 수업생기 선수에게 세게 나갑니다. 오늘도 파이팅! 자, 우리 선수 초반부터 잘할 수 있도록 응원의 박수 5초간 발사! 선수의 디펜스로 시작합니다. 감사하겠습니다. 자, 이제 KT 소집분이 승리로 가는 4쿼터 시작하겠습니다. 박수와 함께 시작합니다. 4쿼터 출발! 반드시 역적승을 원하시는 분들만 함성 우측에 패스! 남은 시간 4.8초. 여러분 다시 한번 우리 선수들에게 응원의 함성 보내주세요. 감사합니다. 자, 우리 선수들 오늘 혼신의 힘을 다했습니다. 모든 걸 다 쏟았습니다. 그러나 쉽게 오늘 한 점차 패배를 당하고 말았습니다. 그렇지만 우리 팬들이 있었기에 이렇게 좋은 경기를 할 수 있었습니다. 우리 수고해준 KT 수원군 선수들에게 여러분 다시 한번 박수 부탁드리겠습니다. 자, 다시 한번 박수 부탁드릴게요. 네. 자, 우리 선수들 수고 많으셨습니다. 우리 가족 여러분께 인사 한번 하고 가겠습니다. 찬영, 선배! 네, 수고 많으셨습니다. 네. 다음 경기 힘내라고 응원의 박수로 우리 선수들 보내드리도록 하겠습니다. 자, 다음 경기 하십니다. 1월 31일입니다. 7시에 그리고 수비권 아레나에서 펼쳐지겠습니다. 자, 그 경기는 인터내셔널 데이입니다. 우리 외국인분들을 위한 시투, 경품 추첨, 그런 이벤트가 마련되어 있으니까요. 우리 팬 여러분들 많이 찾아주시고, 지금 외국인분들이 있다면 함께 오셔서 우리 선수의 승리에
Alright, well, that was a long, fun day. Again, I got Prosper's signature on my jersey, so now Dave and Prosper's jerseys on there. They got the bread, and hopefully they'll share and save some for Ate Ren and not eat it all. So she's praying that they save me 2 pieces. Alright, so, yeah, great experience, more footage, so stay tuned. I got a lot of editing to do. I still got to finish the 4-day trip that I do, so I got a lot of work to do this next week, and I'll still be back to live streaming some of the games from my house, so we'll get this thing going. So, yep, and then I just talked to Justin Gutang. He got the bread, so he's enjoying it. All right, everyone, that ends the vlog, and I will see you soon. So before we go, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment. What do you think about this trip here? All right, other than that, take care. See you soon.